Hey everyone, looking for creative and easy holiday craft ideas? In this video we will show you how to make DIY homemade festival ornaments that are fun, festive and perfect for your tree or as handmade gifts. Grab your glue gun, let's get crafting. Welcome back to the channel. We are bringing the magic of the holidays right to your hands and DIY handmade ornaments, perfect for your tree, gift toppers, or just fun family crafting. Let's jump right in. Start with clear plastic or glass balls ornaments. Remove the top, pour in a few drops of acrylic paint and swirl it around for a marble effect, and glitter, sequins, or a handwritten message inside for a proposal touch. Cinnamon dough ornaments. Mix cinnamon, applesauce, and glue into a dough. Roll it out and use cookie cutter to shape stars, trees, or hearts. Bake or air dry, then add a ribbon and hang. They smell amazing and look rustic and cozy. So next is mini gift ornaments. Wrap small boxes in festive paper. Tie them with tiny bows and hang them like mini presents on your tree. You can even put a small surprise inside for the kids to find. Yarn and string ornaments. Wrap yarn or string ornaments a balloon coated in glue. Let it dry. Pop the balloon and you have got a delicate snowball style ornaments and glitter or little star for sparkle. Use felt or old fabric scraps to cut out shapes, snowflakes, stockings, or gingerbread men. Sew or glue the edges, stuff with a little cotton and decorate with beads, buttons, or ribbons. So, nature-inspired ornaments. Collect pine cones, twigs, and dried orange slices. Glue them into shapes or tie them with twine for rustic natural decor. Add a dusting of white paint or glitter for a snowy effect. Thanks for watching this video. Follow for more ideas and designs. For more videos and more designs, follow for the